Hi everyone, my name is Hannah White and this is my intro PowerPoint video. So a little bit about me. Had an exciting few months. I got married in February. We actually eloped. We had a big wedding planned for June, but the wedding planning and everyone's opinions were just a lot, so we decided to elope. Our parents were there. We told everyone about 2 months after we did it, so it was a lot of fun kind of having a big secret from everyone. We still kept our June receptions. We just had that a month ago, actually. And after that, we went on our honeymoon and then we went to the beach with some friends. And once we finally got home, we picked up our mini golden doodle named Wentz. So our very quiet house is now lively and filled with squeaky toys and lots of puppy cuddles. Some of my hobbies include cooking, baking, reading, decorating. We bought a house last summer, so we're still kind of getting each room the way we want it, and same with the outside, all the landscaping, but we're having a lot of fun doing it. I also love to exercise. Philadelphia sports are very important in our house. My husband is a huge Eagles fan, hence why our dog is named Wentz, and I love the Phillies. Nothing beats a good baseball game. We also love to go to the beach. We're both teachers, so each summer we spend a good chunk of our time at the beach, and we can't wait to take the puppy. Some of my educational background and where I am now. I graduated from Warwick in 2010. I went on to attend Millersville. I had a dual major of elementary and special education. I always kind of gravitated more towards the special education, and I fell in love. And it's really how it happened. And I had a lot of my placements with the IU13, specifically in autistic support. And I knew immediately that's what I'm supposed to do. This is where I'm supposed to be. I graduated from Millersville in December 2014. And I interviewed with the IU and I got a job as not the itinerant. I was classroom-based first, classroom-based autistic support, and then I later switched to an itinerant, which is the best job ever. I have been in multiple districts. I've been in Conestoga Valley, Lebanon School District, Northern Lebanon, Ephrata, Hempfield, and this coming school year, it looks as though I'll be back at Hempfield, and nothing beats being at a school multiple years. You know, you have that rapport with your students, you have the rapport with the teachers, and once you have those relationships and respect built, wonderful things happen. So I'm thrilled to be back. I'm also back at Millersville. I'm working on my master's in assessment, curriculum, and teaching with a focus in online teaching, which has been amazing and awesome to incorporate into my sessions. All of my sessions are done one-on-one with students or in very small groups. It's a little different than having a full classroom full of students. We work on social skills, emotional regulation, all those sorts of things. And my students are in all sorts of classrooms. I have students in life skills, emotional support, learning support, and some in regular ed all day. It's very exciting. I never know exactly what I'm walking into, but I love every second of it. So I'm excited to continue on with this class and work with everyone. Thanks for watching.